Hey guys, get your thinking caps on. What lives up in space and helps keep us safe, entertained, and in the know? That's right, satellites. Ever thought about all the super cool stuff these amazing machines can do? Then why not enter the DSTV Eutelsat Star Awards competition? Just write an essay or design a poster explaining how satellites have helped us understand and take care of our planet. And if yours is voted best, you could be jetting off to Paris and on to see a live satellite launch. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Just ask these previous winners.
My biggest achievement was winning the DSTV Eutelsat Award.
Winning the competition was exciting. I couldn't believe it.
You can enter on dstvstarawards.com or through your nearest multi-choice office before the 5th of November. So get creative and reach for the stars with the DSTV Eutelsat Star Awards, creating space for African ideas.